Hi, the second section of the Airbnb style guide talks about const, let, and var. Const means you can't change a variable's value. If you try, you'll get an error. Var and let it both let you change the variable's value, but the difference is that var is function scoped, while let is block scoped. What that means is that if you declare a variable as a let variable and try to use it outside of its scope, you'll get a reference error. But if you try to use a var outside of its scope, you'll get the variable's value. This behavior is a result of a mechanism called hoisting, which I cover in another lesson. Const is also blocked scoped, like let and unlike var, by the way. So, which should you use when you declare a variable, const, let, or var? Const prevents you from changing the variable's value, which is a good thing because that makes its value more predictable. You know the value it has everywhere is the value it got when it was first assigned. Another consideration is that var, as we discussed, is available outside of the scope it was declared, which may cause unexpected behavior where you try to use the same name outside of the scope, which will result in an error. This is why the style guide recommends the following. Use const for all of your references. Avoid using var. If you must reassign references, use let instead of var. How is it possible to use const for all references where, obviously, some references need to be changed? The answer is you should just use a new const wherever you need a new variable, instead of reassigning the original one. This, of course, doesn't make sense, or may even be impossible in some scenarios, like for the variable used for a for loop iteration, which is why the style guide does give the option to use let. If you liked this video, please like it, and if you want more, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.